Okay guys, here we are again with the FOXBODY Mustang. Something about my exhaust I always wanted to try to correct the problem with. These band clamps right here, they have a tendency to leak, hence all the high temp RTV on both, where the downpipe comes to the X pipe on both sides. Also, I booted this up when I actually had to replace the original X pipe that came with the exhaust system. I tried these flanges didn't mate like they should, so I tried to grind part of the flange off here to make it fit tight, which that was a bad idea, terrible mistake. That made it leak worse and sound worse. So once again, hence the high temp RTV. And here at the mufflers, where the mufflers join the intermediate pipe, also a leak. Now, let me show you what I'm going to do to try to fix this and make it a real tight, nice sounding exhaust. Okay, right here where we have these bands, if anybody ever had a one-piece X pipe, this is a two-piece. They have it cut right here. This band is what actually holds it together, or seals it up. At least try to seal it up. These things are real hard to get off when it's one piece. I've had them where it was just the pipe came down into the H or X, and it was just one solid piece, and it was a bear to get off the car. So what I'm thinking, and what I'm going to do is, this is what I have. I have this stainless steel flex tube. I'm going to cut this out, weld this in, so that'll give me a little flexibility when I try to get this thing out. So I have two of these. I'm going to put one here and then one on this side over here. And then to try to seal up back where the X pipe meets the intermediate pipe, I got these V bands. It's a real nice piece. I'm going to weld these in to seal this up here. And also, by being a V band, I can take it apart, service it, or take it apart and change it out. Whatever I want to do, it won't be permanent. I can always take it out. So these are going to go here. One of these V bands is going to go here. One's going to go over here. And I haven't made up my mind about where the muffler meets the intermediate pipe. I don't know if I want to just weld this one solid piece, put the V bands in again. I may use the V bands again here, so that way I can take the muffler off and exchange it if I want to. So I'm thinking this may be a pretty good idea to make it sound a little better, and also make it easy to get that X pipe off the car. But we'll find out soon, and we'll see if this is going to be a good idea or a bad idea. Alright, thanks for watching guys.